Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to enable or disable auto dubbing on YouTube videos. Guys, you can watch YouTube videos in any language. So guys, this is an amazing feature of YouTube that helps to understand videos even if they are in a foreign language. How enable or disable? So keep watching. First of all, open YouTube on your mobile, and here is this is the English language. Click on top right corner setting icon and click on audio track. So guys, this is the original is English language. Now select the language we want to listen. I want to listen Hindi. Now select the Hindi. Now play the video again. So guys, you can see English language video is now speaking in Hindi. You can dub any video in any language by this method. How can I turn off? Select setting again. Now click audio tag. Now click on original. When you click on English original, this video automatically get back to original language. By this method, you can turn off and on auto dubbing on your YouTube. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.